Make just released that they're going to be putting out AI agents soon. We're going to be looking at what Make is and some of the clues indicated with the new posts on X to find out some of the capabilities. So let's just dive in. First of all, what is Make? Make is a platform where you can use automation and AI to automate your business. So there are a few indications of what this will be. If you're unfamiliar with Make, you're going to have scenarios where you can connect tools, and then based on a trigger, you can have automations occur. Now, if you want more details, we do a breakdown video building AI and automation. There'll be a link down below or a little tag up above, which will teach you about inputs and outputs. But bottom line, we first have to understand what kind of information you're collecting or data that you need, and then what does success look like. Then, once you have that in mind, then you can use tons of different tools that integrate with Make to make it happen. So, what do we know about the new AI agents, how they're going to act and make and all those things? Well, right now we're only getting a few screenshots, and some people have indicated what it looks like. But there was an article a few weeks ago that was put out just about a week ago talking about the rise of non deterministic automation and how AI is changing the game. So, this blog post is telling us a little bit more details of what we can expect, and we're just going to go through some of the high points of this article. I'll put the link down below. First, they bring up what deterministic automation is, and then a couple examples, and then what potentially AI agents are going to be for Meg. So, the first one they mentioned deterministic automation. Now, what is that? It says deterministic automation has a wide range of applications. Some common examples include automated email responses. So, you set up automated email responses based on a specific trigger, or generating invoices from order data, automating the creation and sending of invoices based on predetermined rules and order information. Yeah, that's basically it. So you're setting up triggers and you're going from there, right? So the normal steps that we have with automation. But it breaks down later on where it talks about non-deterministic automation, and that's really leaning into the AI workflows and everything and AI automation. So let's read a little bit about this. It mentions right here in the first paragraph, it says, let me bring that up. Non-deterministic automation moves beyond the rigid rules of traditional automation, embracing variability and learning. Unlike deterministic automation, which follows a predetermined path to a predictable outcome, non-deterministic automation, often seen in agentic automation, can produce a range of outputs for the same input. Okay, so bottom line, you can do a lot more with these kind of automations and have this. Now, let's take a look where it mentions the role of AI in non-deterministic automation. It says AI is instrumental in enabling non-deterministic automation. AI algorithms and agents can analyze data, learn from past experiences, and make context-aware decisions, allowing for dynamic and flexible automations. So here are a few different examples of non-deterministic automations. One we're pretty familiar with, perhaps if you've used ChatGPT, mentions AI powered chatbots. Chatbots use natural language processing and AI to understand user queries and provide relevant responses. So we're seeing this with Claude, ChatGPT, and the list goes on. But here's something interesting right here. It says dynamic pricing optimization. Many e-commerce businesses use AI to adjust product prices in real time. These systems consider factors like demand, competitor pricing, and customer behavior to optimize pricing strategies, leading to varied outcomes. That's pretty interesting. I haven't seen that kind of use case for these kind of non-deterministic automations. It's going to be interesting what that looks like for Make. Along with that, it talks about a couple different reasons or benefits. It talks about flexibility, handling complexity, and enables innovation. This is what we're planning to see with Make in these brand new Make AI agents. The more people are going to be using them and the more the different scenarios, I think it's going to be very interesting to see what they're going to be doing here. Right here, this example, it shows watch new events in Slack, and then we see Make AI make AI agents. So that's going to be interesting based on the filter right here and what you're going to be able to do and what we're going to be seeing with Make in the future. This is just the beginning with what's happening with Make. If you want to know more about automation and AI and how to get started, make sure that you go to the link down below to this video where we break this down. And if you like these kind of videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week. If you want more information or think we should do more videos about new announcements or when the new Make AI agents come out in April, please let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll do a video if there's a demand for it on this channel.